So who's been attacking my chemistry? Who's been attacking my chemistry? Who's been attacking my chemistry? Yesterday, I went under the Japanese maple up front and pressed suet into some of the joints. And the birds found it today. I also filled up feeders all around my house. There's my brown thrasher up there. And out the bay window, this was the view that Tarzan had. Hi, little Richard hung out in the bedroom to watch the Japanese maple. At about 10 o'clock this morning, I went and set the GoPro up looking at the new woodpecker suet cake that I got from Ace Hardware, and one of my suet cakes right there. And soon after, all these little birdies showed up. A little titmouse, as usual, showed up first, followed by cardinals, chickadees, Carolina wrens, and mockingbirds. And there you can see song sparrows. And up front, I saw white-throated sparrows. I did a little splicing, and I speeded this up times 32 so you could get all the activity. Then a snowdrop landed on the lens, and that makes it clouded. So I'll stop. Or maybe not, because there's the red-bellied female woodpecker